Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we are going to do a fun number activity. Let's look at this butterfly on the page number 22. So student, let's open the page number 22. Look at the numbers, arrange the given numbers and write counting 1 to 20. We have to arrange this number in the correct order from 1 to 20. So let's start with me, students. Say with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 के बाद 7, 7 के बाद 8, 8 के बाद 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good, student. Very good. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Very good, students. Very good. Now students, look at the flowers. At the bottom of the page 22, you will write numbers in the flowers. You will write each number in the flowers, starting from 1 in the first flower and ending with 20 in the last flower. Counting help us to know the order of numbers. So let's count again together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Excellent, students. Very good. Now your butterflies and flowers look beautiful with numbers in order.